Hello everyone, this is the MalkMind Job Extension app version 2. Under the hood it's using Vite, React, and WebSockets, but if you're a non-developer, there is no need to worry about it. This Chrome extension allows you to organize your job applications and also automates your forms with AI. Now we are just releasing version 2, so some of the interface designs might change slightly by the time you download it, but the functionality should stay relatively similar. So the first thing you'll want to do is download our app by clicking the link that will soon be available. Once you download the extension, be sure to pin it to the top. You can pin it to the top by clicking your extension icon and clicking the pin icon. You want to do that so you can toggle our extension on or off as such. For now, we want to pin our extension on, obviously. The next thing you're going to want to do is activate our extension by clicking the Activate button. You'll need to be logged in for this thing to work. We are logged in right now as John Doe at fakeemail.com. And if you're not logged in, just click the login button and it'll make you make an account. So we're going to authorize the extension by clicking Authorize Now. We have now successfully authorized the app. Let's return to the site. So let's suppose that we're trying to apply to some job applications up in here. So let's say that, hey, I'm a new software developer. What do I want to do? Let's say that this software engineer at JP Morgan Chase looks good. Let's click it. Boom. Okay, so let's say that we're about to apply to this job. You want to save this job. How do we save this job? Well, this is the job title. Bam. This is the okay, so see, so some of this might be a little bit wonky. It's a new app, so bear with me. But the job is going to be JP Morgan Chase. So we're going to save that as the company as such. And we're going to save this entire thing as a job description. Bam. We're going to submit it to apply jobs. We're going to look at our apply jobs. And we just saved this apply job. So now we're going to fill out the job application. So let's suppose that your job application looks like this. We have a lot of inputs needed. Your first name, last name, address, city. We don't want to fill this over and over and over again. So we're just going to click on one of these random bad boys. Be sure to enable buttons and click the AI button. Give it a moment for it to compute your computations, and look, it fills it out. Our first name John, our last name Doe, our address, it just fills out everything for us. Some things it won't fill out because, well, let's face it, we got some debugging to do, but it's going to do a lot of good work in filling out a lot of the monotonous data that you got to fill out. Where is this data located? If you go back to your job profile, click on your job resume, we'll see that we have a fake job resume that we uploaded. And we got some sample questions we authored, or should I say doctored, down there. All right, our AI extension takes all your information right here, tries to compute the best values for the input boxes based on the information you provided it, and spits out data. And then you can move forward with your job application. Now, be warned that we process this data through a large language learning model, particularly Llama 3. So be sure not to send in any sensitive data that you don't want to be shared because this data might be used to train future AI models. So, anyways, give our app a try. If you like it, be sure to give it 5 stars. If you don't like it, be sure to not give it any stars so that we can make it better. So, anyways, yeah, that is a job search application. And I'll catch you on the next one. Ta ta. Hello, everyone. This is an update for MountMine Chrome extension worksearch app version 3.0. Before we just have the apply mode, but now we also have the job rejection mode for jobs that did not want to hire you. So we like to be able to keep track of our job searches, but we also equally want to keep track of jobs that rejected us, which is now why we have the job rejection mode. So we've applied to this job previously in the past. It looks like reading from the email, it looks like unfortunately they're going to move forward with other candidates. So let's just annotate this in our work search app. So first we're going to click right here. We're going to search for this company. We can also type it in the search box for quicker retrieval. Here we find a firm. It's going to populate it with the job search application that we saved previously. You'll notice that the one thing we are missing is the rejection message, which we are going to apply to now. So we're going to click the link. Be sure to always remember to enable your buttons. So we're going to enable our buttons and we're going to click away. Make sure. Okay, what happened here? What happened here? Somehow we clicked out the email. Enable buttons. We want to make sure that we click on the email. As such, now we're going to save this as the rejection message. And you'll see that the rejection message is now in our application tracker. So we're going to update our job rejection. We're going to click towards our site. Give it a minute to load. And let's look up the corresponding firm. We'll just collapse that for now. And we'll see that our job rejection message is now in place. This gives you a streamlined way to annotate your job rejections so you can annotate them and delete your email and move forward with your job search. Thank you. This is version 3.0. We look for many more updates in the future. Hope you stay on board with us. Thank you very much.